Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on integration by parts. Let us start with problem number. Integral x raised to 2019 into log x dx. Now the first step is to check whether the given functions are of which type. That is, we have 5 different types of functions, that is logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. We are going to see whether the two given functions are in the given order or not. As you can see, the first function x raised to 2019 is a algebraic function, while the second function log x is a logarithmic function. As you can see, the log function needs to be arranged first, therefore we will interchange this integral and then start solving. Therefore I is equal to integral log x into x raised to 2019 dx. Now considering the first function as u and second function as v, we will solve this integration by using integral uv formula. That is, integral u v dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v dx the whole dx. Therefore I is equal to u into integral of v dx. What is u? It is log x, into integral of x raised to 2019 dx minus integral of d by dx of u, that is log x, into integral of x raised to 2019 dx the whole dx. Next step, I is equal to log x. Now to find integration of x raised to 2019, we will use the formula integral x raised to n, which goes x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore here we have x raised to 2019 plus 1 upon 2019 plus 1 minus integral of derivative of log x is 1 by x into again integration of 2019, that will give you plus 1 upon 2019 plus 1 dx. In the next step, we have I is equal to log x into, here we have 2020 divided by 2020 minus integral of 1 upon x into x raised to 2020 upon 2020. Now let us see the next step. Therefore I is equal to minus, from the second integral we can take 1 upon 2020 constant outside the integral. This will give you integral x raised to 2019 again dx. Therefore the value of I will be x raised to 2020 log x upon 2020 minus 1 upon 2020. Integral of x raised to 2019 will again give you x raised to 2020 upon 2020 plus c. Therefore the final answer of I will be x raised to 2020 log x upon 2020 minus, in the numerator we have x raised to 2020. Now 2020 into 2020 into 2020 will give you 4080400 plus c. This becomes our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.